How to make Roblox full screen. So first, you just have to go to this icon menu, search icon menu here, and then type Roblox. And what you're going to do is to click open. You have to wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. And then here, you just have to select or pick the game that you want to play. So let's just say, for example, I want to pick this game. Okay, and then, so if you see that your Roblox has the screen, all you have to do is to go to this Roblox icon or click escape, go to settings, scroll down and look for full screen and make sure that this one is turned on. Okay, so as you can see, this one is on. Now, if nothing happens or nothing changed, what you're going to do is to click this maximize icon here to full screen your Roblox game. Now for laptop, what you're going to do is to simply, you just have to press the button Fn plus F11 at the same time. Also, if nothing happens, all you have to do is to press the Shift key plus F11 key on the keyboard. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next videos.